guys, welcome back to my channel KaashVlogs. So in today's video we'll be learning how to make a water purifier at home with materials which are easily available. So let's go. First we'll take a bottle like this and we'll cut it with a knife. After this the bottle will look like this. We can put it like this or put it in a glass. So the other materials required are cotton, charcoal, sand, pebbles and dirty water. So firstly I have attached a piece of cloth at the end and tied it with a rubber band. Next we will make a layer of cotton. After that we'll put the charcoal. As you can see, our first layer is ready. After that, we'll again put a layer of cotton. Next, we will make a layer of sand and then tap it properly. When our sand layer is ready, we'll again put a layer of cotton on it. And then last but not the least, we'll put our pebbles. And our water purifier is ready. Now, to test it, we'll put our dirty water.
Five minutes later.
As you can see, our clear water has started coming. It means our experiment is successful. So friends, hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked it, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And remember that this water is not safe for drinking. Instead, you can boil it and use it to wash your clothes or wash the dishes. So, comment down your thoughts in the comment section. And I will meet you in the next vlog. Till then, stay safe and bye.